Hello guys, today's video. Magluluto na ako ng soup. First, sa labas muna tayo maghalo ng itlog. Hindi, sira ko tuloy yung itlog yan.
Ay, kuha ka pa tol, Dev.
And then set this aside.
Ako na. Yun, lipat mo dito. Lipat mo.
Next,
Andahan.
put the wok here. Then let's turn on. Let's turn the gas on.
Ito, pakainin mo na. Push mo to.
Oh, I got it. Okay.
Push. Okay.
Let's go with a medium low. No, medium. Then let's mix the eggs. And I forgot the mixer as well. This is my dance mixer as well. Hindi nagpagaling.
And not that. No, yun.
Life goes on, so baby, smile. 'Cause I'm always around you. I don't make you see how beautiful
I got my tools on.
take a little time,
Mix mo, dahan-dahan.
listen to the birds outside.
Creamy mushroom soup.
Kailangan matunaw siya. Hawakan mo siya dito para hindi siya. Taman.
Okay.
Dahan-dahan.
Wait!
Place to be,
Dahan, matapon ha. Pag ikaw napasok,
everything
goodbye naman.
be alright. For as long as the world still keeps turning night and day. Yeah,
Mommy! What's this yellow thing in my soup?
Ano yan? Hindi pa natutunaw.
What's-
Kaya nga mix mo.
What's that yellow thing? I think it takes about 15 minutes. What's all this?
You see, life goes on, so baby, it's fine. 'Cause I'm always around, and I think you see how beautiful life is for you and me. Take a little time, baby, to look at my stars, listen to the birds outside and sing for me.
Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god! It's freakingly hot. Mami! Kapag natunaw na lang lahat, pwede ko na ilagay yung itlog? Ha?
Kumukulo na siya. Hindi pa siya kumukulo, hindi pa pwede.
Now the boiling point is 100 degrees Celsius or 200.
Ilid mo yan, ano't masagi mo yung sa dati yan. Masagi mo yan, tangkay. yan.
Papasok ka ha, lumayo-layo ka. Madami na.
Mami! Parang kumukulo na. Tsaka parang malapot na.
Wait.
Oh my God!
Oh.
Now, let's add the eggs. Now,
Ayusin mo, bitawan mo. Hawakan mo maigi. Oh, that's okay.
let me go.
Huwag mo na ilagay yan doon. Lalagyan natin.
The remaining raw eggs.
Paluto na siya.
Let me crack my eggs as my side dishes.
Okay na to, hoy.
Mami,
Oh,
I'm gonna put eggs as my side dishes.
paano?
Okay, ikaw muna.
Matapon yan dyan. Dito mo ba iluluto?
Yes.
O dito may crack sa... Dito. Oh.
Dito.
O sige, go. Ikaw na.
You. I make.
Tapos lalagay ko dito.
Yes.
Oh, tapos?
Then, let me add.
Sino?
Nope, add yun na mo to.
Huwag na anak, yan na sino mo. Ay, Jerome tama na.
Yes, it's a lot. And also, salt. Salt.
Konti lang. Bilisan mo.
I don't really forget a salt. As well.
Dito ba yan lulutuin?
Yes.
Hindi ko na nahaluin. Piprito ba yan?
Let me beat this thing up.
Ipiprito yan?
Yes. Because that is my side dishes.
Ay, wait, kukuha tayong kawaling mismo.
And now my soup is ready. Let me wait for my eggs. I have died every day waiting for you. Darling, don't be afraid. I have loved you for 1,000 years. I love you for 1,000 more.
Time has beauty and all she is. I'll be brave. I'll not let anything take away. It's standing in front of me every breath, every hour is gone to
Yes. Let me wait for the water to evaporate first. I have died waiting for you. Darling, don't be afraid. I will love you for 1,000
Ba't madilim?
years.
Hindi yan madilim. Ganyan talaga.
For 1,000
Naliliwanag din.
Let me wait for the. Yes, the water just. All of the water just evaporated.
Oops. Too much.
Yes. That should be.
Bitawan mo na yan, papasok. Kaya ako siya dyan. Walang kanin yung baba mo. Careful. Wait lang. Di pa yan.
Ay, dito tayo kumain. Laro sila kasama.
Wait. Wait, I'm
Klase niya?
I'm cooking my side dishes as a...
Sabi ko, nakapagkain na kami.
My side
Dali
dishes.
mo dito para masaya, marami kumain. Nag-iinip doon na.
Kwenta.
Niluluto ka. Ay, yun, nakabigil, sorry.
Okay lang yan.
At nilagyan mo ng onion.
Oil.
Kala ko gusto mo onion.
Wala pang onion doon.
Kaya nga, dapat nilagyan mo. Dali na natin yung kanin. Saan yung pabaliktad? Pabaliktad.
Wait.
Ito na lang, tinidor.
Okay na to kasi dati nga mag
Wait. No. I'm gonna wait it to cook it on. Just joking. I need it.
Wag
Wag
na,
na.
ito na nga. Dami hugasin.
Ito, kutsara, oh.
Wait.
Saan ba ito kutsara?
Doon sa soup. Ayun, dalawa, oh.
Yes. My utensils.
Okay na yan.
The egg.
Flip ta.
Okay na yung flip
Flip
mo na
na.
yan.
Dalawa nga, dalawa. Saka yung tinid.
Flip na. Yan to.
I need that.
Para next time marunong ka na.
Hindi, ganyan talaga gusto niya. Ititipid
Nakaganyan?
niya. Oo.
Okay.
Oh my God.
Oh.
Dali ka rin.
Isa pa? Isa pang flip. Isa pang flip.
Flip mo nga po.
Yan. Hindi ganyan.
Yes!
Ganun ba?
Ganyan!
Ah, ganyan ba?
I need that.
Ganyan talaga pag nagko-cooking. Anong klaseng vlog yan?
Kung mga plato mo, dali natin sa kabila.
Minsan pumapatak yung oil.
Ha?
Saan ka kakain?
Sa kabila daw.
Flip! Flip!
Si Daddy.
Ano punta ron? Ayun, pisahin lang tayo.
Flip 180 degrees.
Hindi, ganun mo pa. Isa pa lang.
Oh my God! Oh my God! That is...
Ba't kanina pa kasi? Doon mo na ilagay.
I usually to put so much sugar. Yes, like this. Wait lang. Wait, oh, parang okay na to. And my egg is done.
Patayin mo na.
And
Doon sa bahay, patay mo na yan.
my egg.
Bakit nahuli yung sound?
Yan sa receiver yan.
And my soup!
Patay pa, dali natin. Tara.
Ay,
Let's march forward!
Saan talaga yung course daw ah?
Yes. Put.
Maluluto yan, ano naman yan eh. Kinakain ng Halloween.
Actually, I ate it raw. Now mix.
Wala ka na.
And done.
Ito na yan.
And done. I'm done.